moving. This week, two trades. Higher. Higher bus. In Swahili, we say higher bus. Things are getting interesting, right? Things are getting interesting. You guys should try this out. And this is. So, you guys, this can be done on. This can be done on. Do something about it. Start practicing this. I hope you guys map this. The big point is, are you understanding this? Do you understand that you cannot trade each and every day in these markets here? Yeah? As you guys see the reason, clear as day. You cannot be in these markets trading each and every day. Yeah? The problem is traders, when they trade at that time, trade on a specific day, they feel as if they are losing out. No! It's actually better to be patient and wait for these moves. You cannot be trading each and every day. Yeah, so this is what I've learned, that there's only 2 to 3 opportunities per pair in a given week. So this one here, nothing here, only one. Okay, someone may say, wow, maybe you're overthinking. Okay, let's say, let me fix in the second one. No, let me fix in the second one here because of the break and retest here. Sweet break and retest. Okay, there. Second one is there. 2 trades last week. But again, also this is like in the Asian session, so most guys here in Africa don't do the Asian session because it's really early in the morning. Let's say you started right here. So you started right there. First one. Bang. Second trade. Bang. We are following the directional bias of the week. Eh? So this week was going down, and this week was going up. This was kind of consolidating, up and down. This week, 2 trades only. 2 trades only. Yeah. Someone will say, well, why not catch it? Why not taking this move here? Because look at this push phase here. At this time, you're thinking maybe this is a downtrend, right? You'll be like, there's a break, then it's gonna be a retest so it can go down. You don't think that this is going to reverse up. Yeah. So last week, 2 trades. This week, today is a Friday. Push phase, continuation to the upside, right? So when this push phase actually happens, because here price is making lower lows and lower highs, right? No, higher highs and higher lows. Higher high, higher low. Higher high, higher low. Higher high, higher low. So you're expecting a higher high, higher low, so that you can make the higher high. So actually here you'll be like, you're actually buying, right? So the week starts. Let me actually go to the 1 hour time frame and I show you. Because in the 4 hour it's kinda what? So the week starts. Okay, let's say you call this move here. Week starts. Okay, no, this is like okay, you can't actually, this is like a Monday, so you can't actually catch this move here. You start from here. A realistic move. That's where we will start from. And that's trade number 1. Remember, it's an uptrend. Remember, you don't always want to trade against the trend, right? Uptrend. If you do a trend line here, so this was an uptrend. You're like, we're going up. Then price breaks this. You're like, wow, maybe it's going to retest here. And then it does this. Then you can again enter. Then so you see, you end up having like 2 trades this week. That actually makes sense. 2 trades that actually makes sense for this week. You see, the currently running here and this other one here. You actually have 2 trades that make sense this week. So guys, when I tell you that you cannot trade each and every day and you not catch all the moves, yeah, because sometimes in this week you may think that's the correct move to take, but you end up getting stopped out. For example, what we check on the 1 hour time frame. This net is doing beats right now. Let's say this is an uptrend, right? Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. You're expecting a higher low here, so that you can take the trade. This is like a double what? A double bottom at resistance. So you take that trade. Okay, be like, okay, you're patient. Monday goes, I think this is a Tuesday, right? Tuesday, Wednesday, you're like, another trade, boom, you get stopped out. Then you're like, this price has broken below the last higher low. That means the trend has changed. And you're correct. Trend has changed. Trend has changed. So this should be a downtrend, right? Should be a downtrend. So you wait for your price to come back here. So what you say, you're already taken one loss, right? One win, one loss, but you're still up because this will be 1-3. So you're up plus 2R. Price never comes back here correctly, so you don't take that one. This is the news. This happened yesterday, Thursday. Yeah, 10th November. News just really abbreviated this level here. So this happened Thursday. You don't trade. This happened in New York session. Thursday you don't trade. Because of course, when this kind of moves happen, you just better stay out of the market. Then Friday, you wake up in the London session, you see this. So you decide to take the trade at the double bottom. This is a good trade. You take the trade. So actually, you see, you had like 3 trades and actually 1 lost. So I don't see no reason as why guys always want to take trades. Multiple trades in a week. You find a guy taking 4 to 5 trades in a day. Eh? And you're like, Jesus Christ. Yeah. And actually, some of these pairs are what? Correlate. So if you're trading the GBP USD and it's buys, more especially GBP USD, Euro USD and Odd USD are going to be going in the same direction. Yeah, it may be the same setup but the same direction. You see, broke above. You see this news here that happened yesterday. You saw it in you saw it in you saw it in the GBP USD. Yeah. So guys, three pairs already correlated. That means when you're trading the Euro USD, you shouldn't be trading the GBP USD, because if the market goes wrong, both of them are going to be wrong. Yeah. Tell me if I'm wrong. Comment below if I'm wrong. Comment below if I'm wrong. Tell me in the comment section if I'm wrong about this. If things go bad for if you enter the GBP USD trade and you get stopped out, and you've entered also the Euro USD buys and GBP USD buys, you're going to get stopped out on both trades. That's why you only take one. Odd USD. Oh, this thing that is doing beats right now. What do you want with me? You see? Same thing. Same thing. See this news here yesterday. This then makes sense. Why? The bearish, the behavior was pushing bearish. Current momentum and what behavior was pushing bearish. Then all of a sudden, as the moment that the New York session opens,